Standing out to your audience is not about trying to appeal to the masses. It's about honing in on who is your specific audience. What is going on, everyone? My name is James Patrick. I'm an internationally published photographer with more than 500 magazine covers. I'm the best-selling author of Fit Business Guide, the workout plan for your brand. I'm the host of the top charting podcast Beyond the Image, and I'm the founder of the annual Fitposium Conference, an online education network. Now, when it comes to honing in on who this is for, you need to be asking yourself, your brand, who are you trying to reach? Who is this for? And this is not about going general. This is about the specificity and knowing your audience in the minute details. And in this video, I want to cover the 4 main things you need to be honing in on when it comes to your audience. So all you need to do is you need to take a blank piece of paper, and at the top you can put out details on who your customer avatar is. Like, for example, their demographics, their age, their gender, their location, their income, their marital status. Like, these are all things you can get a sense of when it comes to honing out your customer avatar. But the 4 things that you really need to drill down upon are the following. The first are their likes and interests. What are they really pulled to? What do they find interesting? What do they enjoy doing? Where do they spend their time investing in? Okay, you really want to hone in on what they like, what they're interested in. So you can literally draw your paper into quadrants, and that becomes one of the quadrants. The next quadrant is their challenges and pain points. This one is very important because you need to understand and get a very clear conception of where your customer is right now, where that target is right now. What are they feeling? What are they struggling with? What are their obstacles? What are their challenges? What keeps them up at night? What are they afraid of? What are they trying to get through that they're having a difficult time getting through, that they're struggling with? You want to clearly articulate that, because what this does is when you take these 2 sections, this paints a very clear picture of where this customer is at today, their current situation. Then the 3rd quadrant, you're going to fill out their goals and their values. What you are doing with this section is you are really edifying their aspirational identity. Every one of your audience members has an aspirational identity. And for your target demographic, for your client avatar, you need to understand where they are now and where they want to go. You understand the challenges. That's why we really edified out those challenges and listed those out. But what are they trying to break through? What is on the other side of those challenges? Where are they trying to go? Where do they see themselves tomorrow, or in 1 week, or in 1 month, or 1 year, or 5 years? Okay? Because your marketing, your strategy is all about bridging this gap. Where they are today, where they want to go tomorrow, and you are going to be the bridge that helps them achieve that helps them break through those obstacles. But you need to understand what those goals are. So that's what you list out in that 3rd quadrant. Now, the 4th quadrant is where we have a lot of fun. This is your touch points that you could have with your audience. Where do they exist already? This is not about building something and hoping people find it. No. The key to standing out online, the key to truly connecting with your audience, is to going where they are and inviting them to join you where you are. Meaning, what are they watching? What magazines are they reading? What podcasts are they listening to? What groups are they a part of? What associations do they have a membership in? What events do they attend? And when you list those things out, you know exactly where you need to be as a business owner, where you need to be as an entrepreneur to get in front of this audience. You need to be a guest on that podcast. You need to attend that event. You need to speak at that conference. You need to be in this magazine. You need to get involved in this association, because that's where they are. That's where you have those touch points. So once again, your customer avatar worksheet really comes down to these 4 sections: their likes and interests, their challenges and pain points, their goals and values, and where they are already, the touch points you can have with them. Thank you so much for tuning into this video training. My name is James Patrick, and you can follow me at jpatrickphoto on Instagram. You can text me 480-605-3254, or you can connect with me on my website, jamespatrick.com. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you in the next video.